Why aren't Democrats just as capable of doing the exact same thing?
Because they tend not to.
Oh, just because they tend not to, but they are still capable of doing that?
They could, yeah. And if they were doing it, then I would be criticizing them.
Okay,
So then by that standard, then impeachment is not always a good chilling effect.
I'm going to make a little money, read some of these super
If you abuse, I mean, that's like saying, aren't cops bad because some cops can be bad? What the fuck?
No, that's not what I'm saying.
Dearborn, what he's saying,
exactly
what he's saying is it's okay to put a chilling effect on free speech when it's Trump, but when it's not Trump, it's not okay to put a chilling effect on free speech.
No, it's when you do the things that Trump has done. It's the actions.
It's when you do
actions.
illegal things. Then that illegal thing should probably be chilled. Yes, that's why you have criminal laws.
So like we should have closed the borders.
Yeah,
because
so
that's
like,
illegal.
would you not agree overinflate, making sure that companies...
I don't know what that
make
is. Okay,
sure
I'm
the
going to read some
quotas-
super chats. I'm going to read some super chats. I'm going to read some super chats.
One second.
Hold on.
Real quick.
I want to make a
Like,
little
would
money.
you say that overinflate?
I'm going to make a little money.
To put a chilling effect.
You're not going to interrupt my money. $5 from Odashara to ask the rightoids this. Can the rightoids answer this question? What is the issue with attempted murder or attempted rape? It didn't happen, so there's no issue, correct?
No, I would say intent behind it.
So earlier, when you said it was dismissed, so there's no issue, right?
That wouldn't be the same.
Is it
that wouldn't be like okay, so like if the question was should somebody be charged for attempted murder? Yeah, I would say you should be charged for it. But if you're charged for attempted murder and the case is dismissed, then you didn't, there's like nothing really happened to the person who was charged other than they were charged with it. But if the case was dismissed, there was no real material effects.
So really, it's not an inconvenience to have a criminal investigation.
Oh, wait, so now criminal investigations are worse than civil investigations, Destiny?
Did I just say that because criminal investigations were bad, they're suddenly worse than civil things? I like how you were so excited to go there.
Hold on, no, your position. I just said that like
my position earlier was that criminal stuff isn't necessarily worse than civil stuff. There are examples where civil stuff can be worse.
I didn't ask about necessarily. I said, is it worse? Like, would you at least grant it's
when
generally
worse? When you say
worse?
is it worse and you don't add qualifiers, the implication
fine,
is necessarily.
Is it worse generally?
Generally speaking, criminal stuff is probably worse than civil stuff. Yeah, generally speaking, I'd say so. More people are confronted with criminal stuff than civil stuff, for sure.
Okay. $10 from Revitalago. Why is it so hard to admit that the president shouldn't call for executions of his political opponents and that no recent president has ever done this?
I agree with that though. I don't like that he does that. I don't think he should do it.
Okay. And do you admit at least on that he is worse than past presidents?
On that metric, he would have to be worse than that. Worse than past presidents on that metric.